Hey guys, it's day 2 of the build. Had work earlier today, but came back. It's been raining on and off. As you can see, our cabinets are under the tarps. I spent a little time underneath the tarps cutting apart one of the base cabinets. It's really been a game of Tetris trying to figure out how all these cabinets are gonna fit together. But I got the uppers just about perfect. I gotta take a little bit off to make them fit. But here, let's go in the garage and see what we got here. All right. So here's the upper that's all glued up. Face frame's all ready. Got the pocket screws that worked out really swell. Got NPR on the radio in the background. But over here is our first base cabinet that I'm going to be working on. I'm just hacking these cabinets up, and it's just a little crazy, but I think it's going to turn out pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to work a little bit on this one, get some dinner, and then start taking down the old cabinets. Day 2. Alright guys, well, I took the tops of these cabinets down, and it's a mess. So as you can see here, it's an old house, so it has lath and plaster. Well, it was crumbling, so then they put this over, and this is the plumbing wall right here, and then it cuts in because they had to have enough room for the plumbing. So this is why, now it all makes sense why they built this right here like they did. So I'm gonna have to patch this in, find the studs, and re-drywall. Now there is a interesting, look at this wallpaper here. So they did the same thing right here. Well, since they put cabinets all the way to the trim, they were able to hide the fact that this was on a different plane than this because the cabinets were here. So I don't know if I really want to take this drywall down, but cover this up, and then maybe we put a shelf somewhere, because we're not having cabinets here. We might have some shelves, so we need to figure that out. And I started laying out, those are going to be the new uppers. So measured them, they're really close. I gotta shave off a ½ inch between. So these are all, this is the one that I custom fit. It was a double, so then I had to make it to a single, so it can fit kind of like you see there, the single, then the upper top, and then the double. So, and I gotta take that out tomorrow. So I started on the bases. I got one base, the skinny base right here. So basically there was a lot of doubles, so I had to make it a single. So it comes to about right here. Then I gotta make this portion, and then this guy, we have a double door base that has drawers that we should be able to pull out and should fit. But it is hot in here. We don't really have air conditioning except in our our room, because this is an old house, doesn't have AC hooked up, full house AC. So anyways guys, this is day 3. Been working on this, and another full day.